Hello there, Natuhamya here. In the previous video we looked at how we can compute regression coefficients of a simple linear regression model, and today we're adding how we can compute coefficient of determination, or the so-called R squared, still in simple linear regression model. So this is the formula for computation of R squared, or coefficient of determination. Is basically the ratio of explained variation to total variation. So what I did, first of all, having computed beta naught, gotten the values of beta naught and beta 1 here, so I went ahead to plug in my x's into this equation. Having plugged in the x's into this equation, of course, given the values of beta naught and beta 1, I got this expected y value. So of course this is C19, which is of course beta naught plus the product of C18, which is B1, and of course these x's. So I got this value of the expected y. So I went ahead to get the square of the difference between yi and the mean of y, of course, and computed yi and the mean of y, which is here. Then I went ahead to square it, so I got this column here, and of course I got the difference between the yi and then the expected y. So I got this value here, yi, then I subtracted this expected y value. So I was doing all that to get all these right here. So at the end, what I did, I got the difference between these two, and then I divided by this one right here. I got the difference between these two, then divided by this, which is in the formula. So in this formula we get this minus this over this. So when you look at this equation here, it is saying I13, which is this, then minus J13, which is this, then divided by I13, which is this again, this exact thing. So I ended up by getting R squared as 0.8969. So I'm going to use that and compare these two values, what I got right here and what Stata gives me. So I'm using the same data set, so I'll just of course regress these two variables here, and I enter. So I get my value of R squared as 0.8970, which is pretty much similar to this 89699. So this is how we can go about computation of the coefficient of determination, or the famous R squared simple linear regression. So with Excel you can pretty much do what Stata does. Of course, when you're looking at a multiple regression model, that is a model that has several predictors, it's more complex than this, but given these basics you can go about it following the same steps. Natuhamya. Once again, remember to click subscribe on my YouTube channel to access more of these videos. Bye.